So this is the lab, basic password reset poisoning. So always try this attack. See, this is very easy attack and easy to perform. Always try this attack. I suggest always try this attack. So sometimes it will work. Okay, so how you can find out this attack? See, this is the lab 0AE900. This is the lab. So this is a password reset poisoning. Like we can poison the password reset. So let's say we have an attack. Like we have an account. Let's see, we always have an account winner Peter. So okay, I want to change my password. So this is forgot password. And see, this is normal, like every website have this forgot password. After that, you need to enter the email. Most of the time, you need to enter the email and sometimes username. So when you are entering it, that time capture the request. Okay, let's say I want to capture this request. Okay, and send it to the repeater. Okay, after that, try to do research on this host header. So how you can check it for the bug? See, this is normal account and this account is related to you, then you will get a request link. And what type of request link you will get? See, go to exploit server and there is an email client. So this email client is yours. Then see, normally when you are doing the password reset, then you will see this kind of link. See, after that you need to click on this and you can reset your password, means new password, confirm password, and you can change your password. Same thing, like very easy. I think everyone know about this. Like click on the password reset and put your email, then you will get a link, then click on this and you can change your password. Very easy. But what happen, like if there is a host header bug, and how you can check? Like change this host header, like change this host header to, let's say, example.com and send this. See, send this and refresh it. See, if you are getting this example.com in your link, then there is a bug. See, we are getting, see, example.com forgot password, means there is a bug. You can perform account takeover by this forgot password through host header attack. And how you can perform? Very easy. Change this to your burp collaborator. Let's say you change it to burp collaborator. This is burp collaborator URL. See, currently it is working on the HTTP 2, but sometimes if not working, then try to change it to HTTP 1. Okay. So I'm sending this request now. See, I send this request. So let's say we are getting the, see, this is the request. Let's assume there is an account. See, this account is ours. So we are getting the link. So we are testing. So if we are getting the website, this is website which we put in the host header. If we are getting in our like this email, then there is a bug. So how we can exploit it? So you can exploit it by, like, let's say, see, let's assume you are the victim. Like, see, this is your account. Let's say you are the victim and I sent a link for you. See, I use this burp collaborator and you will get this link. If you click on this link, if you click on this, then I will get the response in burp collaborator and I can get your token. See, always when you are changing password, then you will get a token. See, this is the token. See, 0v61. So this is the token. If you click on this, then I will get your token. See, I'm clicking on this and after that, see, I'm getting interaction in burp collaborator. And you can check here. See, I have your token and I can use this token for password reset, and because of this token I can change your password, and after that, see, I have your email and I have your password, then I can log in. How can I log in? See, I have your token and after that I can initiate request again, and I want to change the password for the winner. See, this is the request. I am sending it to the repeater and I want to exploit the other user, and other user is Carlos. Okay, let's say I want to exploit Carlos user. So I just change it to Carlos and see, I want to get that token also. So I need to put the work collaborator. See, currently there are 5 requests, so copy, and if more than 5 requests is coming, then I can understand something we get. Okay, so I change this, and now I will send this. Okay, and let's wait here, like if we will get the more request or not. And we are waiting. See, from there, like see, just start a normal process of the normal process. So this is the normal password reset. Okay, send this. Okay, so you will get a normal link. So first check in your this is, you can understand, this is your Gmail account. So see, you are getting a forgot password link, so you can change the password from this. So after that, just change the host header to anything, like let's say example.com, or after that send the request again. And if you will get this example.com there, then there is a bug. Like see, you find a bug, after that exploitation is another step, but you find out a bug because see, you poisoned the host header. See, you are getting the example.com. So sometimes see, this host header is not working, then what you can do, you can use this also, like tab, and after then use the host header. Okay, like this. Okay, and other than that, you can also use the X host also, means 2 times. Like let's say this is normal request. Okay, and let's say you are changed here, but it's not working, so you can use the this another host also. Let's say try here also, like try 2-3 times, like I change this, send this request, and let's see we are getting this or not. See, we are not getting, because that other one is working. So try to change it to X host also. Send this, and let's see we are getting this or not. See, no poisoning. See, we are getting the normal. See, this is the normal URL. We are not getting any example.com. So you can see, you get a link. Okay, after that, if victim click on this, like see, you create this. See, you can use the victim account, like, and see, victim get the same link like this, and because of that, like you can use the work collaborator, and you will get the victim token, and you can use that token for password reset. How? See, you have a link, click on this and use the victim token here. After using this, change the password, and you are changing the password for the victim. After changing the password, just go to the my account and log in with victim account and victim password. Okay, and this is host header authentication bypass. So what happened, I already explained the scenario. See, this is a simple website. So what happens, sometimes internally they are running a local host or something another. See, maybe they are running a local host. So always try to change that host header to local host. Maybe you can access some services. So let's say in this scenario, I'm closing this. See, this is the scenario. We are accessing this x.com, and let's assume there is a local host also. So we can change this to local host header. Let's change it to local host and see if we are accessing something or not. Okay, nothing is visible here. So if you want to see this in your browser, then just right click, show response in browser, copy, and paste it there. See, we are accessing the admin panel. Is it visible to everyone? We are accessing the admin panel because of this. Why? Because see, what the developer thinks, see, this is the local host and who can access this. Because of that, they don't have any authentication there. So because of, see, we are accessing that and there is no authentication. Because of that, we are accessing this, and there is we are accessing the admin panel. See, admin panel. See, if you want to access it, that you cannot access. See, admin interface only available to local user. If you want to access it, send this request again and change the this to local host. See, otherwise this is not working. If you want to delete the Carlos user, then click on Carlos and change this again to localhost. Otherwise this won't work. Localhost and this will delete. See, this is deleted and lab is sold. If an application is running some internal services like 192.168.0.13, if they are running some service on it, so we can access that by using the host header attack. So this is the kind of SSRF attack. So how we can perform this attack? This is also easy to understand but difficult to find out, because most of the time when we do the hunting, then you won't try this kind of attack. But I always suggest just give a one chance to this attack. So let's say we are doing this, and what is this lab for? See, there is this range. So this is their network range 192.168.0.0.24, but we don't know what is the IP address. So we can brute force. Let's say, so always try to change it 192.168.0.0, and let's send the request. See, timeout, but they are not defending our attack. Timeout means this is there is this IP is not there, means this there is no service on this IP address. So you can change it to 2, 1, 2. So we need to change it to like up to 255. So you can use the intruder. So send it to intruder and clear. Select this part, add. See, always take care about this part. See, if you need to change it, update host header to match target. So what happens? See, this is host header. If you want to attack on the host header, always uncheck this. Why? Because see, otherwise if you are not unchecking this, then this will update automatically this. And if you want to see, I will show you. Okay, see 255 and this, and I will show you. See, this is the attack, and now see our host header is not working. See, we use that brute forcing, but see, that is update host header is changed everything to this host header. So we need to uncheck that, because see, otherwise see, update host header to match target. So this will automatically change this to this. So we need to uncheck this. Uncheck this. After that, start this. Otherwise, this will change if you change anything here, then this will update that to this. Okay. So start the attack, then this will give you a warning. See, like host header in the request does not match the specified target host. Like this is saying like this is not matching to this. Like it's okay, because we are attacking, though we know the thing. So ignore this. Then start the attack. Now check the host header. See, now this is going one by one. 2, 3, 10. Now this is going one by one. Okay. So if you want to check like where we are getting success, then click on the status. See, 302. Other than that, all the 500, 504, 504. Okay. And you can also check on the length part also. See, click on this. You are getting something different, and see here. And you can also click on this. So this is 83. Okay. So use this 83. See, we are accessing admin there. So let's follow redirection, and we are accessing the admin panel. And if you want to see, right click, show response in the browser, copy and paste it on your. See, we are accessing see, you can delete any user account. So if you want to delete it, and then you can delete this, but be careful, you cannot delete, because see, let's say I will show you. See, this is not working. Why this is not working? Because this request is going from the outer network. We need to change the host header, otherwise this won't work. So what we need to do, intercept the request, delete user, and change this to the host we find out, 192.168.0.83. I change it. Now send the request. See, now lab is solved. Means if we change this and they are not validating, see, what is the issue here? I sent a request for this host, but see, this is internally, like if they are do not misconfigured, then they will drop the request here. but they are sending the request here and we are accessing this internal website, this admin services. Okay, and yep, we are successfully get this. So if anyone have the doubt, then they can